Holograms can offer a realistic and immersive representation of the 3D world around us, and they can be viewed without the need for special glasses or devices. Holographic technology has many potential applications in various domains, such as virtual reality, 3D printing, medical imaging, education, entertainment, advertising, and security. For example, holograms can be used to create realistic simulations for training and education purposes, to enhance the quality and accuracy of medical diagnosis and treatment, to display 3D models and designs for prototyping and manufacturing, to create stunning visual effects and performances for entertainment and art, to attract customers and convey information for marketing and advertising, and to provide secure and authentic identification and verification for security and privacy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Holographic technology is a technique that enables a wavefront to be recorded and later reconstructed, creating a three-dimensional image of an object or scene. Holograms can offer a realistic and immersive representation of the 3D world around us, and they can be viewed without the need for special glasses or devices. Holographic technology has many potential applications in various domains, such as virtual reality, 3D printing, medical imaging, education, entertainment, advertising, and security. For example, holograms can be used to create realistic simulations for training and education purposes, to enhance the quality and accuracy of medical diagnosis and treatment, to display 3D models and designs for prototyping and manufacturing, to create stunning visual effects and performances for entertainment and art, to attract customers and convey information for marketing and advertising, and to provide secure and authentic identification and verification for security and privacy. Holographic technology is advancing rapidly thanks to the development of new methods and devices that can generate, display, and interact with holograms. Some of the recent innovations in holographic technology include tensor holography, a new method developed by MIT researchers that uses artificial intelligence to produce holograms almost instantly. The method is so efficient that it can run on a smartphone, and it can enable the creation of holograms for virtual reality, 3D printing, medical imaging, and more. Laser plasma holography, a technique that uses a high-power laser to ionize the air molecules and create a plasma that emits visible light. The technique can create holograms in mid-air without the need for any screen or medium. Hepper's ghost, an old optical illusion that uses a transparent screen and a projector to create a ghostly image of a person or an object. The technique has been modernized by using high-end motion capture technology and 3D CGI to create photorealistic and flexible holograms for performance venues. The technique has been used to resurrect deceased celebrities such as Tupac Shakur, Michael Jackson, and Roy Orbison. Fan-type holograms, a device that uses LED lights and rotating blades to create realistic holograms in mid-air. The device can display images or videos from a smartphone or computer via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The device can be used for advertising, events, or entertainment purposes. Holographic technology is becoming more accessible and affordable as the cost of production and consumption decreases. According to some sources, the price of holographic equipment can range from $10 to $85,000 or more. However, some companies are offering cheaper alternatives or services that can make holograms more available to the public. For example, Looking Glass Factory, a company that produces holographic displays that can show 3D content without the need for glasses or headsets. The company offers various sizes and models of displays that can be connected to a computer or a smartphone. The company also provides software tools and applications that allow users to create, view, and share their own holograms. PRTL Hologram, a company that produces hologram machines that can beam live or pre-recorded 4K holograms of people or objects anywhere in the world. The machines are equipped with cameras, microphones, speakers, and touch screens that allow users to interact with the holograms in real time. The machines can be used for telepresence, education, entertainment, or commerce. Ventana, a company that provides hologram solutions for various industries and use cases. The company offers hardware and software platforms that can create interactive and engaging holograms for marketing, education, entertainment, or collaboration. The company also offers cloud-based services that can store, manage, and distribute hologram content across multiple devices. One catchy fact that you might not find in any other video is that holograms can also be used for art and social good. For example, Asad J. Malik, an artist who uses augmented reality and holograms to create immersive experiences that explore social and political issues such as immigration, identity, and culture. His works include Terminal, which puts viewers in the role of an immigration officer interrogating holographic travelers from Muslim-majority countries, Hologram Protesters, in solidarity with Black Lives Matter, which projects holographic images of protesters onto public spaces, and A Jester's Tale, The Trial of Saddam Hussein, which recreates the trial of Saddam Hussein using holograms of actors. Musion, a company that uses hologram technology to support humanitarian causes and raise awareness about global issues. The company has partnered with various organizations such as Amnesty International, UNICEF, Save the Children, and WaterAid to create holographic campaigns and events that highlight the plight of refugees, children, and women around the world.